Hey guys, welcome to Beat Boredom. I am Srihari Murli and I'm going to be with you all along in this fun and exciting course in Java. So come on, let's start. So what is Java? Java is a very general purpose programming language. It can be used to build simple text-based calculators to very complicated web applications which you see in most of the sites in Google. And Java is basically popular and then free to use and then productive and then easy to learn and much more. So come on, let's see how to install the right JDK, the Java Development Kit for you guys. To download your Java Development Kit, you need to first log into your browser first. So give Java JDK download. So the first link, we'll give it a go, and then this is the actual JDK download link. So the link will be provided in the description too. So you go down. If you're a Mac OS installer, give on this one, or if you're a Windows installer, give this link a go. So next we're going to see to choose the right IDE, integrated development environment, for you to run your programs smoothly and efficiently. In the case of IDEs, there are millions of IDEs scattered on the web. So for example, for Java itself, you have so many like BlueJ, and then IntelliJ, and then Eclipse, and then so on. I forgot those names though. But for this course, we're gonna be downloading and using BlueJ. So come on guys, log into your browser and then give BlueJ. So BlueJ is a very simple IDE for beginners. So thus I recommend it for you guys. So this is the original link, and this link will be also provided in the description too, and according to your operating system, you can go and download it. So in the next video, I'm gonna be telling you about some simple theoretical topics which ought to be covered in Java. So bye guys, see you in the next video.